Alright, let's do it.
Let's go.
So that's the name of the company.
Oh, we're coming this way. How's it going?
How's it going, sir?
Just taking pictures.
Feeding place.
No.
Oh, no, not at all.
Check me, I got nothing on.
I don't care.
Alright.
Yeah, that's all we do.
Abandoned stuff.
Like I'm not here to take this.
Stay safe, brother.
Stay in.
Watch out, watch out.
I come down here to take a piss. That's funny. Oh,
There we go. That's what we wanted.
That's what we want. Yes,
Holy
sir.
yeah, that's what we want. This is the one that we saw from the highway.
What? Dude, this place just goes on.
What?
This place just goes on.
You know, we got. Sidewalk.
Yes, sir. Alright, we're making our way out now. This was a cool little spontaneous stop though.
Definitely fucking something I'd come back to.
Oh yeah,
We had
dude.
more time.
This place just goes on and on. There's 3 floors here. We could only figure out how to get to the first one. We couldn't find a staircase or nothing.
I saw stairs
Oh, there were stairs in there?
this one, but
No, in this one,
they were,
yeah.
no, this
Oh,
one they
but
were
do you
knocked
know-
over.
There were stairs right there, and I didn't realize, but there's a bridge that you can cross to get into here now. So there's probably a staircase on the 2nd floor that you can use to get up to the 3rd. All I saw in here was an elevator, which is definitely not working. One last shot, and on to the next.